Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Desire. Today's video is all about news update regarding UPSC 2021. Recently, UPSC Union Public Service Commission has released a press note regarding rescheduling of the Civil Services Preliminary Examination 2021, and the notice is as follows. Due to the prevailing conditions caused by the novel coronavirus COVID-19, the Union Public Service Commission has deferred the Civil Services Preliminary Examination 2021, which was scheduled to be held on 27th of June 2021. Now the examination will be held on 10th October 2021. In today's video, I will tell all of you how you can download this particular notice from the official website of UPSC, and also I'll be telling my personal views that how this particular extended date given by UPSC will impact all of us, as we all are UPSC aspirants. So let's begin today's video. So the first step is visiting upsc.gov.in, and there in the news section we'll see there is written important notice civil services preliminary examination, and there we can see the PDF option is given over there, and we have to download it, or either you can view that particular option, and as soon as you download it, then this particular notice will in front of you. And as I have already read it in front of you, but you can read it again. So it is regarding the extending about the rescheduling of the UPSC examination, and earlier it was on 27th June, now it is scheduled on 10th of the October. Last year also, for the UPSC examination of 2020, UPSC did the same. It extended the date of the UPSC, but at that point of time it was very unpredictable, because UPSC has just given a notice that exam is delayed and no particular date was given. But this time UPSC has given that it will be held on 10th of the October. So this time there will be not much stress level among the students, because already the examination date is given to us. So it is mostly in our benefit. So if there are a few topics which are left, in case, like I think it will be the case of most of the students, so this can be a very good opportunity for us that we can cover up those particular portions. If you have not completed your ethics portion, or not practiced enough of your essay or writing things, or have to revise your optionals once again, or you have left with some of your some GS portion, so this is the particular time that you have to sit again and re-strategize. And yes, so you can utilize this opportunity at its fullest and try to fill all the gaps which has been left in your preparation. But also we have to keep in mind that the exam is going to happen, so we have to dedicatedly prepare for our prelims as well. So we have to give our test series on time, and also have to revise it and analyze our test series. Yes, rescheduling of civil services examination is definitely a new opportunity for most of the students, as it will give us time to revise our books, our notes, also to fill up the gaps which have been left in our preparation. But it will also give us more time to prepare for prelims. But we have to take care, and we have to make sure that we don't repeat our old mistakes, and whenever the exam comes, we all are ready and we are satisfied that we have given our 100% to prepare for this particular examination. And yes, one more thing which we have to do is to re-strategize and make our plans. We have to sit and calculate how many days we are left with, what are the portions which we are left. It depends on individual and what ones need to prioritize. Yes, so planning is definitely going to play a major role. The exam has been rescheduled, but don't make a mistake and don't get relaxed and be calm that yes, it has been delayed and we have a lot of time. So in that particular mentality of yours, it might be act negatively in your case, and it might happen that you can lose your momentum, and losing a momentum will take you some more time to get back into your daily practice of reading, revising and practicing or giving the test series. So don't make the mistake of losing your momentum, and don't think that you have a lot of time. Just take it as an opportunity to make to sharpen your skills, to revise more and more. So yes, in if you take this particular extended date in a positive manner, it will help you, but don't take it as a relaxed term that we have a lot of time and we'll slowly prepare. So don't think in that particular manner. And also the last thing which I would like to tell is that you revise and practice a lot of test series, because that is the only thing which is going to help us. So yes, at the end I would like to recollect all the points which I have said in this particular video. So first of all, this rescheduling of the new date is a new opportunity for all of us. Second, that it is a time for us to fill the gaps in our preparation, the loopholes which has been left by us, so it's time to fill that up. Third, we don't have to repeat our old mistakes. Whatever you guys have made, whatever mistakes which I have made, so I'll try not to repeat those particular mistakes. Fourth, that we have to plan our schedule well. We have to replan our things, that how much days we have, how much portion which we need to cover, or how much time we need to give to practice or to learn new things. Fifth, we don't have to lose momentum in terms of thinking that exam has been delayed. And sixth, we have to revise and we have to practice a lot of test series. This is all which I wanted to share with you all. I hope it is beneficial to you. Till then, happy study hours. If you like this particular video of mine, then give a thumbs up and also share your valuable views in the comment section below. Thank you guys for watching my videos.